Hello everybody, this is Moses from Out There Gardens, and here's an update on one of my grapevines. If you remember last year, I had I think it was probably a fungal issue, and 3 of my grape plants died. And this is the flame seedless, and I pruned off a whole bunch, and I let it grow like this. I usually don't do that, because I just want it to grow and to see if it's gonna get sick or not. I watched it. I was careful, but now it's time to really thin out the grapevines because now it's going to hinder airflow and sunlight. So let me show you what it looks like now, the grapevine. There's Lulu making sure nothing's going to affect our video. And that's what it looks like now. And this is what your grapevine should look like as well. I don't really like this going up, but I'm just going to see how this does. You see how much it went to? Let me zoom out. That's all it should be. You know, imagine all that on this. You couldn't even see the fence. So that's not good. You want to clear that out. And last year, by the way, it looked like this and still had a fungal issue. So I don't know what happened with that. And I just sprayed neem on it. It's early morning. I just sprayed neem because after I opened it up, I noticed, let me see if I can find them. I noticed scale and a lot of black ants. You see the white spots? Scale, a lot of black ants. So there was problems brewing behind all the leaves. Now I got to do the Concord next. Clear that out. What are you doing, Lulu? Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.